Hello everyone. So today I'm going to cover probably one of the most infuriating things for me as a former teacher, but more importantly as a former student. And that is x to the 0 being equal to 1. And if there's anything that made me feel really inadequate intellectually, it was trying to understand this when I was first being taught algebra. And this is another one of those things that they just kind of throw at you. And when asked why this is the case, the answer is normally, well, it means that you're multiplying something by itself 0 times. Which, if you don't have a real firm grasp of algebra, then you're not going to understand what that means most of the time. At least I didn't. And there's a very simple way to understand this. So if you've had to deal with looking at this or trying to explain it to your kids and say, I don't know, it's just a rule, I'm going to show you why this is the case. And it's very simple. Remember from the power rule, if I have x to the m times x to the n, I just add the powers. Right? So as an example, if I have a 10 squared times 10 squared, well, that just gives me 10 to the 4th, right? So 100 times 100 is 10,000. I also have the rule here, x to the m divided by x to the n. Well, in this case, I subtract the powers. Right? I subtract the top from the bottom. And of course, this is assuming they're in the same base. So now, let's just put a condition up here. Let x not be equal to 0 and m be equal to n. And so notice what happens. If m is equal to n, we have x to the m divided by x to the m, and this is equal to x to the m minus m. M minus m is just 0. So this is x to the 0. Anything divided by itself is just 1. And so notice, as long as x is not equal to 0, which means for any value you have, x to the 0 is equal to 1. No big mystery here, no magic or anything like that. It's just, this is one of those things that I very rarely see taught in an adequate way. So hopefully this helps.